Howdy, howdy, y'all. Kristoph, Dusty Trails 4x4. Oh boy, okay. So I just loaded up this here cabinet. And all its innards. Spinning wheel for Lorraine. Some other stuff. And I think we're taking 2 puppies out, but that's not a permanent deal. That's temporary. So I know I've said this before, but this stock Toyota Tacoma is what we take out trail riding with Ron. Now the only thing not stock are the tires. Oh, cannot see. Anyway, so the tires are not stock, but the rest of it's stock. Hi, Lorraine. Say hello.
Hi.
Say hi, Matt.
But there's no stock on here.
I just said the tires are not stock, but everything else is.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
That goes in the door.
Now these here panels of stock fencing, which are curved, probably going to need a torch to oxyacetylene torch to straighten them out. Yeah. These are all going to head out to the ranch at some point. Not today, though.
Yeah. Next, on down, let's take this fencing.
I was just talking about that.
Oh, okay.
And these tires we're going to cut in half to turn into nests for the chickens.
Well, we got that nesting box.
And we got a nesting box. There's my motorcycle. All right, talk to y'all after we get there, or in a bit. All right, welcome back. Some clouds forming along the mountain range. As I said, it rained last night. There's a possibility of rain today. So, or this evening anyway. And that's a good thing. It's me, Kristoph, Dusty Trails 4x4. Check us out. Like, subscribe, share, comment, please. Alright, so we piled some more stuff in the truck, including some shelves, cabinets, whatever. Me and Matthew managed to get them into the trailer, despite gravity's best efforts to thwart our attempts. Say hi, Matthew.
Hello.
Hi, Lorraine.
Hi.
Now we did find some rodent droppings earlier, a few minutes ago, so we're gonna have to put some. So here's the new cabinet. That's what we put in yesterday, and this is what it looks like all together. More or less. Whew. Say hi, Tinkerbell. Say hi, Tink. She's not feeling too good. No. Got a meat grinder. Yay, meat grinder.
Yeah, okay, here's one shelf.
Looks like we're getting the kitchen put together. Got some of the flooring down.
And 2 shelves.
Got to do that for in here as of yet. And okay. Soon it'll be downright habitable. Oh, it's fun doing it with one hand. Okay. Just a quick update. See a little bolt hole in the window. There it is. Plugged it up with some silicone. Step out the south facing door and it's actually quite a view. quite nice. Why else would anyone want to live out here? Well, that and the animals. Thinking we need to hurry up and get the chicken pen set up so we can get the chickens out here. Start moving the cats out. And all that kind of stuff. I really do enjoy looking at the mountains with the clouds building up around them. See if I can. Now. There we go. See, looks nice. Looks really nice. Okay. Who do we have here? We have Buster. Hey, Buster. Who's a good boy? And there's Dozer. Hey, Dozer. Together they are half pit bull, half Malinois, which makes them all dangerous. And Buster. Buster. That's a good boy. Who's a good boy? Come here, Dozer. Oh, that's a good boy. Good boy, Dozer. Oh, yes. All right, that's it. Sorry about that. Sorry about the glove. Okay, so another episode of what is Kristoph doing out in the desert. This is what he's doing. I will talk to you all later, and be sure to like, share, subscribe, comment, please, if you have any homesteading advice. That'd be great. We have merch. By all means, please check out our merchandise, and I'll talk to you later.